acabar, achar, andar, apresentar. Nerd alert! Olá! In one of my lessons, my student told me he did not know where to start when memorizing words. I told him that a good way to start is to have a list of the most common Portuguese verbs, since knowing them helps a lot. In fact, if you know the meaning of these verbs even before you know how to conjugate them, this can help you understand conversations by context. Just give it a try and you will see. Acabar, achar, andar, apresentar, beber, chamar, chamar-se, chegar, comer, conhecer, conseguir, dar, dizer, encontrar, entrar, estar, existir, falar, fazer, ficar, haver, ir, levar, morar, olhar, ouvir, parecer, passar, pedir, pensar, perder, poder, pôr, querer, receber, saber, sair, sentir, ser, ter, tomar, tornar-se, trabalhar, ver, vir, viver, voltar. These 50 verbs should help you to eventually become an expert in European Portuguese. If you know them, you will at least be able to get conversations by context. After knowing their meaning, all you have left to do is start to learn their conjugations. Start by understanding how to build the present tense and the perfect and imperfect tenses. After you've learned the rules for the regular verbs in Portuguese, you should also try to tackle some of the irregular Portuguese verbs that are on this list. I hope that you enjoy studying all of them. Think of grammar like a game and you may find yourself enjoying it. I sure do. Nerd alert! If you don't know how to conjugate the verbs yet, make sure to check my all-in-one Portuguese course. You will learn all about this topic and much, much more. I will leave a link below to a free webinar where you can learn more about it. See you soon! Beijinhos!